Olay Regenerist Eye Tint, Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream, COSRX AHA 7 Whitehead Power Liquid and SkinCeuticals AG. Eye Complex. These products contain vitamin C and E, hyaluronic acid, caffeine, licorice root and glycerin to hydrate, brighten, depuff and tighten the under eye area. Eye patches and masks provide quick brightening solutions for dark under eye circles. Use caffeine-infused eye patches or masks 1 to 2 times a week for instant depuffing and brightening. Look for masks with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, licorice root, tea tree oil and aloe vera for soothing, brightening and anti-inflammatory benefits. Brands include Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Masks, Tatcha Pure One-Step Camellia Cleansing Oil Eye Treatment Patch. For long-term results, combine OTC products with medical procedures done by a dermatologist. Options include laser therapy, corticosteroid injections, cryotherapy and platelet-rich plasma, PRP, therapy. Lasers help break up pigmentation using targeted light pulses. Steroid injections reduce inflammation and shrink dilated blood vessels that cause a bluish-purple tint. Cryotherapy uses cold to destroy pigment cells while PRP helps boost collagen production and fade dark circles. Be consistent and patient when trying different products. Look for proven ingredients at effective concentrations and continue using treatments for several weeks to see results. Multiple approaches like at-home serums and medical procedures also work well together for complex dark under eye circles. Quick fixes pale in comparison to sustained treatments over months and years. With time and consistency, significantly reducing the appearance of under eye circles is possible. In summary, there are many effective options to help brighten under eye circles. Determine the cause and severity of your dark circles to choose between OTC, in-office or combined treatments. With use of these products and procedures, you can achieve refreshed, depuffed and radiant-looking eyes. Patience, consistency and realistic expectations will lead to success in faded under eye circles. Dark circles under the eyes can make you look tired, aged, and less vibrant. While there are many factors that contribute to dark circles, such as genetics, lack of sleep, and allergies, there are many products on the market that can help to reduce their appearance. In this guide, I will review some of the best products for treating dark circles. Eye creams. Eye creams are a popular choice for treating dark circles. Look for an eye cream that contains ingredients such as vitamin C, caffeine, or hyaluronic acid, which can help to brighten and hydrate the skin. Some popular options include Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Eye Brightening Concentrate, Olay Eyes Brightening Eye Cream, and Origin's Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream. Eye masks. Eye masks are a great option for treating dark circles as they provide a concentrated dose of ingredients to the delicate skin around the eyes. Look for an eye mask that contains ingredients such as retinol, vitamin C, or peptides, which can help to brighten and firm the skin. Some popular options include Peter Thomas Roth 24K Gold Pure Luxury Lift and Firm Hydrogel Eye Patches, Tatcha Luminous Deep Hydration Revitalizing Eye Mask, and Estee Lauder. Advanced Night Repair Concentrated Recovery Eye Mask. Roll-ons. Roll-on products are a convenient option for treating dark circles as they can be easily applied on the go.